Hello and welcome to Blackboard Learn Plus. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log in and out of Blackboard, condense your class list, personalize your institution homepage, add a personal avatar to your Blackboard, navigate a course page, check announcements for homework, and show your parents how to check Blackboard. You can access Blackboard by clicking on the Blackboard icon on your school laptop, going to learn.munster.us, or using the link on district and/or school web pages. To log into Blackboard, you will use your Munster login credentials. That is your student number and your Munster password. When you log in, this is what you will see. You can give your home page some personality by clicking on Personalize Page. If you'll go into the upper right corner, click on Personalize Page. Once you do so, you're going to see an array of colors that you can pick from. Go ahead and pick any one of those that you like, and then don't forget to click Submit at the bottom. You must always click Submit for changes to take effect. Next, if you'd like to change that little gray man next to your name in the upper right corner, go ahead and you can click on that little gray arrow next to him and then go to Settings at the bottom of the menu. Next, go ahead and click on Personal Information. This will open up a series of choices for you. Go ahead and click on the third choice down, which says Personalize My Settings. This will then take you into your avatar image box. Go ahead and click on Use Custom Avatar Image, and then download one from the internet. And then you can browse My Computer and upload that then from your computer. And then pick one that's, of course, school appropriate. You shouldn't pick one that has a lot of detail. It's pretty small. And then when you're finished, like always, click on Submit. Note, however, that your avatar will appear only after you log out and log back in. In order to log out, go up next to your name in the upper right corner and select the circle with the slash to the top. Back on the My Institution page, let's take a look at some of your modules. If you look in the upper right corner, you should see one that says My Classes. There are several things listed there. You will not have Blackboards for all of them. For example, lunch, and probably not if you're a student aide, and probably not for study hall. So we're going to look at getting rid of some of the things you don't need to streamline your page. If you look at and hover your cursor over My Classes, you will see a sprocket that will appear. That sprocket will open up a class list where you can choose what to select or deselect. Once you click on the sprocket, you will go into the Edit Class List page. You will want to deselect the classes we don't need to see because they just waste your time. So once you're in this page, if you notice the very first column, once you click on that column, you'll see all the check marks will light up. If you click on it again, it will deselect or unselect all the boxes. So unselect all the classes you do not need this semester. Notice on this screen now, we have unselected this class called Lunch Mustang Resource Time, and all the boxes to the right have been unchecked. This screen shows us the before list of all the hours that you had, and then after we unchecked the unnecessary classes like lunch, study hall, so that we have a more streamlined page. When we look then at our My Institution page, you can see all the classes listed there are truly all the classes that you have. The McGraw-Hill is the textbook series for mathematics and perhaps for other classes, so check with your teacher to see if you need to have that one checked. Once you do get into your classes though, click on any class and you should see a setup similar to this. You will see a dark charcoal sidebar to the left side. You'll probably be seeing something that looks like a class banner towards the top. and then you'll see some modules down below the banner. Each teacher's sidebar is unique, so make sure that if you have any questions, you ask your teachers. This year, all homework will be posted to My Announcements. That's a module that appears on your class homepage. Every class has a homepage, and therefore a set of announcements will appear for every class. This is an example of what the announcements will look like within your My Announcements module for every class. Notice that the most recent announcement will appear on top. You can also find all your class announcements in the My Institution page under My Announcements. These will list all your announcements for all your classes. This is an example of what your announcements will look like on the My Institution page. Finally, for your parents to be able to access your homework assignments, take them to the login page and select View Class Catalog. They might have the best results if they search by teacher name instead of by class name. Thank you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask your teachers.